Join me as I take on the challenge of making masala kebab magic at home. Let's see if I can nail that perfect flavor. You know, there's something about the smell of sizzling kebabs that just gets everyone excited. Whether it's a weekend barbecue or a quick dinner, masala kebabs are always a hit. With a few simple ingredients and some basic prep, you can create delicious kebabs that rival your favorite restaurant. They are juicy, tender kebabs, just mesmerizing the taste buds to try them immediately. Our kebabs are cooking up nicely, almost done now. Lastly, stir with veggies and spices. The aroma that fills the air is just incredible. If you've had a go at making kebabs at home, leave a comment below with your experience. Did you have any challenges or any amazing successes? I'd love to hear about it. Don't forget to subscribe for more cooking challenges and recipes. I'm always experimenting with new flavors and techniques, and I'd love for you to join me on this culinary adventure.